Okay, we're starting again. This is the side road. 1999 Chevy Monte Carlo. Eddie had one of these, but it wasn't a 99, I don't think. Another vet. I think this is a 66 Corvette. Sorry, I'm filming all the cars. 1932 Ford 3-window coupe. (2008) 2008 Chevy Corvette. Wow. 68 Camaro? 67. I had the decade right. 93 Chevy Corvette. Wow. '87 Corvette.
Yeah, there was a lot of cool cars here.
2014 Corvette. Whoa. 72 Mustang. 73. Once again, right decade, wrong year. '66 Chevy C10. Back up and get a good look at the front of it.
You're doing good. You're doing good.
And there's more cars coming in, folks. I might come and get the rest of these later on. There's a Jeep. There's a heap.
Hard over. Hard over. Hard over.
Another old Chevy truck. Hi, Charles. 56. 55 Beller, sorry.
Yep, no, that's okay. See, I cheat. I put it on the license plate.
Ha! 1940 Ford. Oh, sorry. '1950 Ford truck. '1950 Ford truck. 1967 Chevy C10. The bottle rocket truck. Hello. 55 Bel Air. Review the front end of it. 1955 Chevy. Wait a minute. No. Yeah, that is a Chevy. Yeah. Okay, crossing the street. And I will charge my phone later, and I'm going to get the parade as well. This is a 1959 AMC Rambler Super. The other side, you can see it here. 1967 Chevy Camaro RS. 19 '79 Pontiac Firebird Trans Am. '79. I'm gonna say it's 1970 Camaro. Chevy Camaro RS SS. Rally Sport Super Sport, in other words. It's a Pontiac Firebird. Don't know the year, you guess. 81? I think this is an 81 Camaro, or 80 or 81 Camaro. '2003 Chevy Corvette R C5Rs. Anyway, Pontiac Le Mans. 1972 Pontiac luxury Le Mans. 72. Nice. I would so drive one of those. 1999 Chevy Corvette. 79 Chevy Corvette. '66 Chevelle, Chevy Chevelle. '90 Corvette. 90. Another Chevy pickup. GMC. Yep. '31 or '39 Ford Track. Okay. Ooh, '65 Mustang. '65 Mustang. It's a Stang. Another '65 Mustang. 70 Chevelle. I was thinking 72. 70. And that's all the cars on this side. Now we'll go down this way. This way. 2006 Chevy SSR. 55 Chevy Bel Air HT. Nice truck.
Thank you.
It's a Hummer. It's a Hummer.